depression is complex. Established treatments like ECT and antidepressants work for some, but not all. Now there's renewed interest in other types of brain stimulation to treat mental illness, and some say it may even make you smarter.
TMS, or transcranial magnetic stimulation, essentially involves using a pulsed magnetic field that passes into the brain really without any resistance. And when you apply a magnetic field to something that conducts electricity, you induce a current. So it actually makes the nerve cells in the brain fire.
In transcranial magnetic stimulation, if you put a magnetic coil on the motor areas of the brain, the firing nerve cells will make the patient's finger move. Apply it to visual areas of the brain and they might see flashes of light. But in the case of treating depression, the magnetic field is applied to the left prefrontal cortex, the part of the brain most responsible for happiness.
And what tends to happen then is if you're making nerve cells fire repeatedly many thousands of times, you make them change their activity levels. And that way we can very specifically target changes in somebody's brain in a way that hopefully has therapeutic benefit. Good morning. We'll get you all set up.
Depression is very complex. Initially, my doctor prescribed me with antidepressants. They helped me to a point, but I still felt that I could have been better.
We're just going to measure up your position for your coil.
Eventually, Jan underwent TMS therapy at Monash Alfred Psychiatry Research Centre.
I went on to a trial that allowed me to have treatment each day, and I came in here after work.
So what does it feel like, Jan?
It just feels like someone's tapping on the side of your head. It's not painful. After about the third session, I noticed I was just falling asleep.
All right.
And felt quite relaxed.
Have a nice nap.
Yes. I was quite surprised at how some of my thoughts were changing. All of a sudden this thought came into my head, oh wow, what a great day. And I kind of looked around and thought, where did that come from?